next puzzle, Pokemon. So I fell in love when I saw it because A, it is round. I always adore a nice little round puzzle. And B, look at the colors and the happy Pokemon. And I always forget how they are called in English. Jigglypuff, I think. And Squirtle. Is it Evoli? It's Evoli. Glumanda, no. Help me out in the comments, please. Relaxo? Snorlax. Pikachu. And Bulbasaur? Help me. Help me. So, as you can see, it was on sale. So, it had to come with me. And pretty excited to do it. Let's go. Here it is, done. So that was fun. I had no downtime at all. It was just fun. And yes, here it is. So I'll use the German name. So we've got Glumanda here, and that's Evoli, a Pokeball, of course, Pikachu. Bisasam, so that's Relaxo. Another Pikachu, Pummeluff. I don't know who this is, to be honest. And Shiggy. And Evoli. So here they are. And I love this because it's round and the colors are stunning. And I'm happy with it. And that's it. So guys, if you like what you saw, you could hit the like button. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Then we can see us on the next one. Thanks guys. Bye bye.